Congratulations, class of 2021. You did it. Oh my gosh, in a pandemic, at the end, you have brought everything, all of your talents to the table for this very moment. Go out there, kill it. You're gonna be great. You've learned so much. Now be you, and congratulations.
Happy graduation, graduates.
Congratulations, grads.
On behalf of the Department of Civil, Architectural, and Environmental Engineering, I want to express a warm congratulations to the entire graduating class of Illinois Tech 2021.
A huge congratulations to the graduates. You made it. You've come a long ways. We can't wait to hear what you're going to do in the future in your careers, your professional lives, your personal lives. We definitely want to hear from you soon. Congratulations again, and please come back and visit.
Congratulations, class of 2021. All the best for your future. I'm only sad that we can't celebrate across. Anyways, all the best.
The Office of Undergraduate Admissions wishes you a happy graduation.
Congratulations! Congratulations, Illinois Tech grads. I hope you continue to use your entrepreneurial mindset, no matter which career track you choose.
Graduates, we are so proud of you. This is an amazing milestone. We can't wait to see what you do in the future, in the world, and we can't wait to brag about you when you come back to campus to our new students.
Class of 2021, congratulations. You've got a universe of possibilities ahead of you. Go out there and do something great.